Hi everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake at the Drake Center, and I'm here to answer some very commonly asked questions about preventative health care for dogs.
Dr. Drake, what does preventative care do for my dog?
Well, it prevents disease and illness. So vaccines are going to prevent some really bad diseases like distemper, parvo, and rabies, leptospirosis, parainfluenza, and bordetella. And the flu, these are all things that we want to prevent your dog. Intestinal parasites and external parasites and heartworm, these are all, again, things that we're going to prevent. And even things like weight management is preventative care and can make a huge impact on the wellness and the quality of life for your dog.
What illnesses are staved off by a good dog preventative care?
So really important diseases like parvo, it's a virus, intestinal virus that can cause death and severe illness, distemper, which can cause death and severe illness, rabies, which can even be communicated to humans. These things are all completely preventable. Also intestinal parasites, and then external parasites like fleas and ticks can really affect the quality of your dog's life. So these things are all preventable if used properly and in the right timing. So that's something your veterinary care team will provide for you and make sure that you're well educated and know the next best steps.
That goes into my next question. Will dog preventative care keep my dog flea and tick free?
Yes, if you come to the Drake Center and you use the products that we recommend, we will not only keep your dog and cat flea and tick free, but we'll also keep your house flea free. And that's really important because fleas and ticks actually can transmit diseases to humans and cause discomfort as well. So we really want to make sure that that's not part of your family or your dog's life. Yes, they're all very preventable.
How does preventative care help my dog in all stages of life?
So puppies have a certain set of needs, as far as extra dewormings and a series of vaccines. We're going to prepare them for life by good training and good diet recommendations and exercise routines. And then, as the dog goes through the average stages of life and into geriatric time, we are going to change our recommendations as far as how often we're going to do lab work and what kind of testing we're going to be doing and things we're looking for to make sure that their quality of life is its very best.
Is preventative care less expensive than treatment?
Oh, for sure. So prevention is always the way to go. And so really the amount of time you spend with a veterinarian at least once a year, but twice a year for dogs as they age is so well worth your time to make sure that, again, the things that we're working on, which are preventative things, vaccines, preventative medications, and then certainly nutrition and weight management are super important.
Last question. Can preventative care save my dog's life?
Without a doubt. So parvo can be fatal. Distemper is fatal. Rabies is usually fatal as well. These are all really bad diseases, and some of the things that ticks carry can be very detrimental and cause death. So we really want to make sure we stay ahead of those things, and they're all super preventable and so much less expensive than waiting until they become ill. So if you have any other questions at the Drake Center about preventable care or preventative care, let us know. Give us a call.